We are at Nakonsawan Park. Nandito kami sa Nakonsawan Park para maglakad-lakad kasi hindi pa open ang Big C nila. See you at that pigeon. They are making their nests. Cute. Uy. Yung dragons. Tapos from here makita mo yung dalawang maliit na temple. Tapos yung mga buildings sa labas ng park. Yung bridge. Napansin niyo yung yung nest ng bird, ng ibon doon sa doon sa dragon. Sa tagal-tagal na nito. Wow. Laki-laki ng dragon. Bali sa sides ng dito is yung circle is apat na ganyan na maliit na temple. Yan yung pangatlo, tapos nandun yung isa, yan, bababa tayo. Let's go down, yan. Diyan pwede kang magpakain ng fish. Magandang mag-relax din. Nasa baba na tayo. Papunta tayo sa my pond. May dalawang horse. Oh, like that. Oh, look at that little fish. Where is it? Oh, it sleeps. That one. Ang lawak-lawak, oh. So, thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell if you hadn't yet. Thank you very much. See ya.